Americans supposedly have more free time than a generation ago. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, in 1965, Americans on average said they worked 38 hours a week and had 35 hours of leisure time. Now Americans work on average of 34 hours a week and have about 42 hours of free time. The reason behind the change is the growth in part-time jobs, plus modern technology has cut down the amount of time it takes to do chores.
First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
What are you looking at me for?
There's a cricket.
A cricket?
Really loud. There it is.
Well, the crickets are making noise because the temperature's changing.
Yeah,
Because we went from cool to warm. She's worried about crickets. They're harmless. I can pick them up and take them fishing.
I don't want it to touch you.
She's like, ew. I'm like, okay, fine. 65 degrees here in Bowling Green as we have warmed up this morning. That's why the crickets are making the noise this morning. They're noticing the temperature change, and we have a little bit of light rain that is pushing through parts of the area this morning as we zoom in on the Elizabethtown area, up I-65, the Western Kentucky Parkway, the Bluegrass Parkway, all getting a little bit of light rain shower activity. So is 31W, 31E, 61. All coming into the E-Town area. It's out west, though, in western Kentucky near the Mayfield area that we're getting a little bit better coverage of showers and even some embedded thunderstorms. This is all ahead of a complex of rain that is going to be pushing eastward as we go through the morning, and it looks like by afternoon for the drive home, certainly that's when our best rainfall is going to begin and go through the overnight hours and during the day tomorrow. Here's a check of temperatures now, courtesy of the Kentucky Mesonet Network. Mainly 60s this morning, about 10 degrees warmer this morning over yesterday morning's readings when we were close to setting new record lows yesterday, but that has changed since a warm front is making its way through. We go to Nolin River Lake for our hometown forecast today, which includes the Litchfield area, 81 today, with those showers already pulling through Grayson County this morning. 82 for Munfordville and Hart County, Brownsville and Edmonson County, 82 today. And by the way, the Kentucky Lottery Powerball jackpot estimated to be at $235 million for the Wednesday night drawing, and Mega Millions estimated to be at $12 million. Air quality, low in the pollen count, mainly grass pollen there. Ozone, though, moderate. Molds are low, and the UV index will be brought down into the moderate category today thanks to this, the cloud cover that is going to be with us today as the showers begin to roll in. We're at 65 degrees. Current temperature in Bowling Green with an east wind at 4. Humidity is at 100%, and the barometer is holding steady. As we go east, Jamestown Marina, Lake Cumberland, you're starting cloudy, 59 degrees there this morning. Not as much fog this morning at Mammoth Cave National Park. You're starting out with a temperature of 64 degrees under a cloudy sky. Munfordville and Hart County, mainly cloudy, a temperature of 62, and it's 63 right now downtown Franklin in Simpson County. As we check regional temperatures, a warm up back here to the west of us with 60s and 70s that were not here yesterday when we had lots of 50s showing up. That has now pushed a little further east thanks to that warm front coming in. In fact, you can see where the warm front is. Temperatures here 9 to 10, almost 15 degrees warmer over yesterday's readings. And along and ahead of that warm front is showers and a few thunderstorms, starting to see them popping up here, but a rather large complex of thunderstorms going on this morning. Southern Missouri from Joplin all the way over to the Boot Heel and into northeastern Arkansas around the Jonesboro area, getting pounded with very heavy rain and thunderstorms this morning. And that complex is headed east, so it's a matter of time. This warm front's going to set off a few isolated showers like we're seeing this morning, but a better complex of thunderstorms rolling in this afternoon and this evening. We'll get a little bit of a break, and then overnight and during the day tomorrow, as the area of low pressure passes through, that's going to be where we see our heaviest rainfall. And we're talking about not severe weather, but some copious amounts of rain, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain during the day tomorrow, along with some thunderstorms. So your forecast for today is calling for mostly cloudy skies, chance of showers developing 83. Then tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely 68. Tomorrow, More potential heavy rain with a high of 83 and a 70% chance that you will get rained on tomorrow. Showers ending early Thursday. We get a little break there, 85, and a break on Friday, 87. Good news for the world's longest yard sale, up and down 127. But then a few showers popping up Saturday, not a washout, and Sunday too, with highs low to mid 80s.